Hey, what's up, Dividend Nomads? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be closing out an options trade that we opened yesterday for a very nice profit. And I'm going to show you how to close that out because in the last video, I showed you how to open it or how I like to open it. So if you missed the last video, I suggest you go back and watch that. But basically what I did, I sold a cash secured put on ticker symbol DRAM. And I sold that for $79. So I made $79 immediately in my account. But if you can, when you open these options trades like this, you can either wait till expiration and let it expire for 100% profit. For me, because DRAM is very volatile, and tomorrow Western Digital has earnings which will affect DRAM because it's one of the top holdings inside of the DRAM ETF. And so I don't know how those earnings are going to go and if this ETF is going to go up or if it's going to go down, and it could possibly mess up my trade. So I'm going to lock in profit while I got it. So I'm going to take you into the phone, show you my positions, what I have, and we're going to close this position out together in real time. This is 9:37 at night here in Metro Manila where I'm staying. So it's 9:37 Eastern Standard Time in the morning for you guys watching in America. So I'm going to record the screen. 3, 2, 1. Bam. All right, we are here in my Webull account. I'll refresh it for you guys. And let me go here. So you can see I got $6,940 in this account right now. And what we're going to do, we're going to close out this DRAM option. So if I click on DRAM right here, and if I click on this thing, you can see my position. So you can see my position is up 71% right now. So yeah, it's up a lot, 71%. It's pretty good. I'm happy with that. I'm more than happy to lock in a 71% profit. So to close this out, basically, because I sold it to open it, so you got to buy it to close it. So if you click on the trade here, and all I got to do is buy it, see where it says limit price. I'm going to choose the mid. It's a little bit high right now. I want to get a better price than that. Let me see. But that's okay. It's not bad. I sold it for 79. We're 72% profit. I'm not gonna fret over a couple of bucks. I want this 72% profit if I can get it. So click on limit price. The mid is 22. Actually, I'm gonna try to get it for let's just call it 20. I'm gonna try 20. What's the current price? Yeah, let's just try to close it for 20 and see if we can get away with that. Or 22. We'll try 20. It's very volatile, so the price swings a lot. All right, let's see if we can get rid of this thing for 20 bucks. And I was filled at 17. So I just made some profit there. Let's do the math on that. What's 79? Say 62 bucks what I made for holding that for just overnight. I opened it yesterday, closed it today. Not a bad deal if you ask me, but that's very simple. That's how you close the trade. Sold to open, buy to close. Now if I want, I could actually reopen this trade. Let's just go look at it just for fun. I can maybe make some more money on it if I reopen it, or I could wait until the earnings is over on WD and then open this trade then. Here's DRAM right now. It's up pretty good today, 5% already. If I open up the options tab and see what the options are looking like, this is a 3-day option. And if I look at the delta, I could open another trade at a 20 delta or a 18 delta for another 60, 70 bucks. Do I want to do that? Or do I want to let this cool off? That's the question. For now, I think I'm going to let it cool off. If I do decide to open a trade, I'll definitely let you guys know. But for now, I'll go ahead and lock in this 72% profit overnight, just like that. And this is how I'm actually supplementing my income, because you guys know I have an income portfolio where to sit back and do nothing, but I sold a major position there. So I'm doing this to generate some extra income on the side while I'm trying to wait for a good buying opportunity to grow my newer positions. So this is just a way to generate some income with a small amount of money. And, you know, you can generate 50, 60, 70 bucks a day just like that with very little money. You see my account value is less than $7,000, and I can easily make 50, 60, 70 bucks per day if you really want to. Just hold it overnight and sell the next day. So it's a good way to generate some money without having a lot. And so it's a good way to supplement your income. You know, here in Asia, things are really cheap. I spend about $1,000 a month to live for everything. So the extra 60, 70 bucks you can make every single day doing this would definitely cover lots of stuff. Your food or utilities, anything like that, you can pay for that with this very small amount of money and very little risk, very little money needed to make it. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys, show you guys how I close an options trade, and really nothing to it. So anyway, if you like this video, want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll keep you guys updated on this options side of income journey, as well as my normal income investing and all my other investment portfolios and things that I do in terms of earning money while living abroad. So look forward to seeing you guys on the next video, and you guys take care. See y'all next time.